Hey everyone! Imagine you're cruising on the highway and suddenly you try to switch to manual shift mode, but nothing happens. Your car remains stuck in automatic, and the check engine light comes on. You grab an OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0952. This code points to a low voltage issue in the auto-shift manual mode circuit, which can cause shifting malfunctions. DTC P0952 stands for auto-shift manual mode circuit low voltage. This means that the voltage detected in the manual shift control circuit is lower than expected, potentially due to a wiring issue, a faulty switch, or a bad transmission control module, TCM. If your car has this code, you may notice manual shift mode not responding, stuck in automatic mode, hard or delayed gear shifts, check engine light or transmission warning light, limp mode, car stuck in one gear. To fix P0952, you need to locate and inspect these key components. Gear shift selector switch. Location. Found inside the center console near the gear shifter assembly. Function. Detects when you select manual mode and sends a signal to the TCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location. Usually located under the hood near the battery, on the transmission housing or inside the dashboard. Function. Manages gear shifting and controls manual mode operation. Shift solenoids, A, B, C, etc. Location. Found inside the transmission valve body beneath the transmission pan. Input and output speed sensors. Location. Located on the transmission case, near the drive shaft. Wiring and ground connections location. Runs from the gear selector switch to the TCM and shift solenoids. Here are the most common reasons for this code. 1. Faulty gear shift selector switch. Prevents manual mode from working. 2. Loose or damaged wiring. Interrupts signals between the shift switch and TCM. 3. Weak battery voltage or poor ground, causes low voltage in the shift circuit. 4. Bad transmission control module, TCM, fails to manage shift commands. 5. Defective shift solenoids, disrupts proper shifting operations. Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check the gear shift selector switch. Remove the center console panel, and inspect the switch wiring. Use a multimeter to check voltage readings. If it's faulty, replace the switch. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose wires leading to the gear selector and TCM. Repair or replace any affected wiring. Step 3. Test the battery and ground connections. Use a voltmeter to check battery voltage, should be 12.6 V or higher. Clean any corroded ground connections to restore proper voltage flow. Step 4. Check the shift solenoids, remove the transmission pan and test solenoid resistance with a multimeter. Replace any solenoids that fail the test. Step 5. Reset the transmission control module, TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the TCM memory. Perform a test drive and monitor shift behavior. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive the car and confirm that manual mode functions properly. If you're dealing with P0952, your transmission's manual shift mode isn't receiving the right voltage. Fixing this early can prevent major shifting problems and keep your car running smoothly. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0770, shift solenoid, E malfunction. P0771, shift solenoid, E performance or stuck off. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.